Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. So for today's look, I will be doing this colorful look, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. All I'm doing is just patting down the concealer with this little sponge, the Real Technique sponge. It's become one of my obsessions because obviously it fits anywhere, as you guys can see. And I'm just preparing my eye just so I can go ahead and have like a nice smooth transitioning with my eyeshadow. So taking the James Charles palette, I'm taking the yellow eyeshadow first and just applying it on top of my inner corner and just doing patting motions. And then once I have that blended out, I will be taking the orange shade and just blending both of those two shades together. Moving on to the top, I'm just doing circular motions, blending out any harsh lines that I do have. I know that this look is not for everyone because I do know that some of y'all don't like really colorful looks, but the ones that do, I hope you guys enjoy it. Now moving on to this red color, I will be blending it with the orange shade. I think the easiest way for you to blend like all these colors whenever you are doing like a really colorful look is just doing patting motions, because you do want it to be really pigmented but at the same time really blended. Taking my M562 Morphe brush, I am just blending everything together. In this video you guys will see me going back and forth with this brush and then the previous brush. The other one is from Morphe as well, but it doesn't have a name. But you guys, this brush, I always tell you, like, it's so freaking bomb. Like, it just helps you blend out everything together and not lose any pigmentation. So I'm just going back and forth and just blending everything. Okay, so I know you guys see between the red and the orange shade, I do have a little line and it needs to be blended. So what I'm doing here is just taking the red shade and then the orange shade and just kind of playing with it until I get that really blended look. Okay, now taking this pink and just blending it with the red. The key to having a good blend is that you have to know like what colors go together, like, you know, like the color wheel. And how can I say this? You can't just put like a green with like a brown, you know, because obviously it's not gonna blend well. So you guys can have both of those shades together, but in between that, you know, in between those two colors, you have to go in with the color that does go with the green and the brown. Okay, so the next shade I will be taking is this purple, and I'm not gonna lie guys, like this purple is so freaking hard to blend out, and it's always been like that. Like with any purple shade or black shade, you're gonna have trouble, but that's why you just go ahead and mess with it and, you know, just try to get everything really blended. I'm not gonna be explaining to you guys everything because obviously you guys know what I'm doing, you know, just adding color that does go with, you know, the shadow that I am playing with and just blending everything together. So after I finished the rest of the colors, I went back in with this purple because I wasn't satisfied. Like I said, it is a little bit harder. And then now I'm just cutting my crease with the Morphe white concealer. If you guys really want the eyeshadow to pop a lot more, go ahead and use a white base, and I promise you guys it's gonna stand out a lot more than if you would just use, you know, like a normal. So now that I have my base done, I will be applying the same shadows that I applied at the very top to the bottom. The only thing different is that I am going backwards, so whatever I used at the very end, I'm using it in the front and just going on from there. Moving on to my inner corner and waterline, all I'm doing on my inner corner is adding that green because I will be applying some glitter on top of that. And then for my waterline, I'm just adding the green, the blue, and the purple, and then just blending everything together with my M562 brush. The glitter I am using is from mermaidscalesusa.com, and this one's in the style Star Kiss, I believe. And then my lashes I am using are from Betsa Bay Lashes in the style I Am Worthy. I do have a discount code if you guys do want to save a little bit of money. It's Rubylayy, and these are my favorite lashes of all time. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this look. It was more, you know, like to show you guys how to blend a little bit better so you guys can understand how I blend. Don't forget to hit that little subscribe button and hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys. I love you.